Chit, you already know it's your boy Joe back at it again, man. CodingPhase.com, your boy's backing out and did it again. Oh my god, version 5 came out for Angular. Wow, this is pretty crazy. 4 just came out the other day, and 5 is here. All right, and once again, it's a whole different app. It's a whole different library. Once again, are you surprised, Joe? Nah. They do whatever the hell they want. They're Google. It's a couple of nerds together and they're like, you know what? F the community. They learned something last year. They're slow. They need to learn it again this year. Like, wait, what? Like, what? Like, that's all I'm saying. You know what I mean? Like, I find it a little bit, just a little bit annoying. How is it that Trump says, this is just a little bit annoying? A little bit. Just a little bit annoying. Guys, man, this is really annoying. I mean, I'm going to tell you my story with Angular. I came into this thing like 2012. Let me see, when Angular was released. No, Angular 1. Let's see, when was Angular 1 released? I'm trying to find that out. Okay, so yeah, that's crazy. So it seems like it was released around the same time. Well, it was conceived back in 2009, and in 2012, that's when it was like really out. It was like, okay, it's out. So pretty much I've been around this whole time, right? When I came in, I was just like you guys, right? I was checking on Codecademy, I was checking on Team Treehouse, I was checking on Udemy, I was checking Pluralsight, I was checking Lynda, I was checking YouTube, I was checking Reddit, if that matters, or whatever, right? I was checking everything, and back then it was like everybody's using Backbone, right? If you don't use Backbone, you don't have a backbone. But I gave her the backbone. You know what I mean? Yo, I don't know, man. Like, this how it was back then, man. Everybody was using Angular in 2012. And I think for a long time, people used Angular. Till maybe like, 2014, 2015. Angular was like the king. The king dominating, From 2015 to 2016, React came into the picture and said, you know what, guys, here we are. We got everything. We got React Native. We got a whole bunch of cool stuff. So, you know what I mean? Like, React kind of took over. Now everybody's on React, right? But what happens to all those companies that are still using Angular? I know companies that are still hiring people who are experts on Angular 1 because they betted everything on Angular. They say, oh, Angular is great. And Angular was great when it came out, man, compared to everybody else. And we thought, man, two-way data binding is the best thing in the world. And we was just loving it, right? Loving that two-way data binding until React came through and was like, you guys are actually doing something crazy, guys. You actually have a whole bunch of bugs because of it, and then everybody started switching up, okay? And then you have life cycles, and you have all this good stuff that just Angular didn't have, right? So then Angular say, okay, we had a whole different product, so now we're gonna copy what Angular is doing and start working about, components, and they jumped the bandwagon on, what was it, Angular 2, and then I don't even think there was an Angular 3. And they just, everything that you learned on Angular 1 is thrown away because Angular 2 came through. And then Angular 4 came back to break things up again. It's like, yo, what's this guy's name? Oh my God. It's like Ike Turner. Ike Turner came back with a vengeance to slap you. Like, hey, Tina, you like Ike? You like Ike? You're like I right. So this is like what's happening right now. People is just like, you like Angular, right? Here's another slap. Here's another slap. I don't know, guys. I don't know why I'm slapping the air, but this is what's happening to the community every single year now, and it's like, it's like, it sounds so messed up. It's like, hey, you know that priest that keeps touching you in the wrong places? Let's go back to that same church. Like, wait, what? Every year it's a new priest that's doing the same thing to you, but just a little bit different. Let's go back to that same church, right? Like, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I'm just listening to this. I'm like, yo, man, I'm watching this, and there's like a thing, man. There's like a upgrade to Angular. There's like upgrade to Angular 1 to 2, then upgrade to Angular 4. Now it's upgrade to Angular 5. Upgrade to Angular 5. Oh, God. Let's see if we can find it. Let me see if we can find it. There's like so many things that are completely named different. So it's like if you have, it's not this one. There's one official one from Google that I just saw, man. I don't know. I have to find it, but it's just ridiculous, man. It's really ridiculous. Like every single year, people's gonna have to learn something completely different. And yes, it has some type of the same concepts, but it's different. And the problem with Angular is the fact that you have to constantly keep learning new things like ng app this, ng injection this, ng double injection this, ng triple quadruple injection this. Like, wait, what? That's all I'm saying. You know what I mean? Like, why are they keep on changing things? Like, name it the same way, change it around, but name it the same way. Keep things that are doing something similar. Keep it on the same level. Like if it was returning a string, keep it returning that same string. Don't come back and be like, now we're gonna return a component or return a function. And it's like, wait, what? Now my whole app is broken, right? It's like every year you're gonna have to learn something new from Angular. That is ridiculous. Like they said that they were doing it for for progressive apps. Okay, if you're doing it for progressive apps, add a section to it that is just for progressive apps, right? Add a section to it and be like, okay, this is Angular 2.4 or 2.5, and now 2.6 has a little thing that now makes your apps better for progressive apps. Voila, right? Keep it simple. There's something called keep it simple, stupid. KISS. But these people, they just don't know that, right? For some reason, the geniuses of Google don't understand that. Like, React was almost a new rewrite. They almost rewrote the whole React framework, right? They almost rewrote the whole thing of how it works. And then they just kept everything the same way. Like I literally took React 16 into my older apps and everything works. How come every time they do an update or upgrade to Angular, everything breaks? It's like now you have to tattoo on your arm. It's like, okay, Angular 2.4.67. Like you have to put in the version number, the upgrade number on your arm as a tattoo to remember which version was it that you was using in 2016. Because if in 2017, God forbid, you click npm upgrade or was it npm update, like now your whole app is broken. Like you get what I'm saying? Like I just don't know, man. But more power to the Angulars out there, man. And I'm still gonna create a course for Angular because I do like Angular once in a while. you know, but it's just like everything you thought you knew last year is gone. Now you gotta learn it again this year. Like you don't got other things to do. Like you don't have other things that you wanna do. Like when you go to work, you wanna come back and be like, hey man, remember last year we created that app? Yeah, we gonna break it this year. We're gonna do it again. You know, same things that you did yesterday. We just gotta redo it again for no reason to add progressive app features to it. When in reality, it will save you more time to just do it yourself and add those features as you need it instead of you saying, hey, we're going to add new features to this Angular framework that is already bloated. What's the size of Angular? Let's look this up, man. I don't even know. Size. Angular 5 size. Let's see. So we're gonna go around 60%. That's good. So the new version is gonna make the components actually a little bit smaller. That's good. I want to know what's like a big app from Angular 5, including Angular 5, including everything. Like how big is the files? Like by now it gotta be like 6 MB. It's like, hey man, you wanna use Angular, you gotta download 6 MB of Angular. Like wait, what? You know what I mean? So that's all I'm saying, man. I love you guys, but you know, sometimes I come in here, I'm just like, I'm I'm in shock with the industry sometimes. I'm like, man, every single year they're going to continue creating, and that's because people gave them a pass. If companies would have been like, we're officially dropping Angular from our stack, then everything would have been fine. But you know, they keep, it's like I keeps coming back and slapping you across the face, and you're like, here, daddy, come back to me. It's like the guy keeps slapping you in the face every single night. Go leave him. But the industry doesn't want to leave Angular because it's part of Google. So in their head is like, man, they're always going to be upgrading it and updating it and keeping, you know, the latest things to it. So, you know, this is blasphemous right now, right? I'm gonna say something, but to be honest with you guys, man, if I was a company right now, I would go with Vue.js, right? If I'm a brand new company right now, I would choose. I like that style of coding, right? The Angular way of doing things, like, hey, separate template, separate component, separate logic, separate this, and that, right? If you like doing it like that, what I will say is, this is blasphemous, right? But yeah, I would choose if I was a brand new developer and I was a new company, right? But this is the problem. If I was a new company, I would choose Vue.js just because I don't think even you is gonna be doing crazy stuff what Google be doing. But at the same time, it's like even you is not Google. You know what I mean? The team that Google has and all the people that are working on this thing, people's always gonna choose Google. Besides, you know, a third party, you know, Johnny Small from creating his framework, whatever, right? But personally, I will say Vue is looking like a better option now. If you're one of those people that love that Angular style of JavaScript framework, you know what I mean? Unfortunately, you know, because it's just Angular, the Angular team just keep, you know, it's like I keep telling you guys, it's like they keep just doing crazy stuff to people, like no lube, no nothing. It's like, hey man, you remember last year you spent a year and a half training to become an Angular master? Here's another way to no lube, no nothing. Just like, here, kid, jail style. You know what I mean? Like, how can we just do the whole industry jail style? Like nothing. Maybe some spit. Ah. Yo, for real, like Angular team doesn't care about developers. Angular teams doesn't care about companies. I feel like they come up with new things and cool stuff at their job, and they're like, you know what? You know what we did yesterday? We did it better this year. Let's redo it again. Wait, what? And then everybody who just been following you for the past 4 or 5 years is like, oh man. Once again, it's like you gotta come back. It's like, okay, Angular, go ahead. Angular jail style. Let's go. That's what they do into the industry. All right. So, anyways, all of you guys that enjoy that, continue with Angular. I will continue loving React and enjoying React. And yeah, that's it. That's what this video is all about. Sorry for being a little bit too graphic, but it's pretty much what they do into the industry. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. And once again, there's gonna be, I don't know, all the people that was on udemy.com, right? All the people that's on Udemy. You know, let's look it up. Let's look it up. There's just not making fun of them, not doing anything, but it's just funny to me. Like, we gotta look at some titles, right? Let's look at some titles, right? For Angular, right? Okay, the complete Angular course, Angular 4, Angular 2 Plus course, right? Now it's gonna be Angular 4 Plus. You know, it's like, wait, hold on, we gotta put Angular, man. Let's see what comes up for Angular, right? Okay, Maximilian Schmorfler, right? He already changed it. He wasted no time. Like, I love you, Max, but it's hilarious to me, right? Max didn't even wait, not even one day. It just came out. And he didn't even wait one day. He's like, remember yesterday this course was called Angular 4? I added 2 more videos for you guys. Now it's Angular 5. It's Angular 4 plus. Like, Mosh came back with a vengeance. Oh, Mosh is late. Mosh is late right now. It's like, yo, bro, Angular came out, Angular 5 came out yesterday. You still got Angular 4. This guy he's late with it. Angular 4. Oh God, I love Max, man. Max, you're the man, because he's on top of this thing. He's in that Angular world real deep, right? So he's like balls deep into Angular right now. So it's like he wasted no time. It's like yesterday was called Angular 4. It's the same videos from Angular 1 and 2 and 4, but now you get 2 more videos and it's Angular 5. Max, I love you, but it's just hilarious. It's the world of Angular. You know what I mean? Like every single day, something new, something that you gotta come in and just, we gonna give you 2 more things. Now it's Angular 5. It's a complete rewrite. It's like, wait, what? I don't know. I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I love you guys, man. Stay up. All right, guys. Matter of fact, before I leave, tomorrow, man, CodingPhase.com. That's why I made this video. I almost forgot. That's why I made this video. CodingPhase.com, guys. CodingPhase.com. If you come here, you're going to see the mentorship show. A completely free show where you're going to see season 2 of the mentorship show. If you're a developer, if you're somebody who really enjoys, web development and enjoy, just seeing how people react to things and see how people create and tackle different problems, guys, this is your show for you, right? Come to CodingPhase.com. Listen, it's completely free. I'm going to give you guys a completely view of, you go to CodingPhase.com, there's an incognito, there's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to come here, you're going to say, all courses, right? You're going to come here and you're going to see, hey, mentorship show. You click there, It says, watch the show. You come in, you click on it, you register, completely free. From there, you watch the show. All right? Take advantage. It's a great show, man. Listen, what we doing for episode 2 is being released tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern time. Right? It's like a reality show. Take advantage, man. Come to the channel. You know, it's not gonna be on YouTube. It's gonna be on my website. 2 weeks from now, it's going to be on YouTube. If you wanna see it late, it's like, you know, it's like you wanna see it, you know, 2 weeks later, you watch it on YouTube 2 weeks from now. But if you really want to be up to date and you want to see what's happening, come to the website, CodingPhase.com. Check out the videos, man. I also have a couple of courses, man. Yes, it's obvious. I have courses. Yes, it's obvious. I got, things to help people out. Like, that's what I do. You know, I love it. I love helping people out. I love creating free courses. I have a whole bunch of free courses here too. And we got PHP now. We got Node.js. We got HyperApp. We got Pug. We got jQuery. We got a Build a Restaurant web app. We got React, the quick and easy way. You know what I mean? What else? We got Terminal for developers. We got Build a Responsive web app, Future-proof JavaScript, Object-oriented programming with JavaScript course. Simple. I make things simple. This is for the people that don't want to come in here and they don't want to hear something that's extremely difficult. You want somebody to break it down for you in a way that you can understand plain English, right? That's what I do, right? That's my expertise. I come in, I take a difficult topic, and I learn it. I teach it to you guys, right? I've been doing this for a long time. So yeah, man, come check out the website, CodingPhase.com, man. I really want to see everybody come watch this show tomorrow, man. Tomorrow, 9 p.m., guys. 9 p.m. on the dot. This is going to be here, all right? I'll see you guys later. Bow.